You want those defined, shredded abs in just 2 weeks without stepping foot in the gym. Let me show you how. Today, I'll take you through a foolproof ab workout that you can do right at home. No equipment needed. This routine is designed to target your entire core and give you the chiseled six-pack look in 14 days. Sounds impossible? Stick with me. Follow these exercises daily and you'll see a serious transformation. We're starting off strong with a plank, an all-time favorite. Get into a push-up position with your elbows resting on the ground. Make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels, keeping your core engaged. Hold this for 1 minute. Planks not only work your abs, but also stabilize your lower back, helping build overall strength. Next up, leg raises. This move will hit your lower abs, which are typically the hardest to define. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Slowly lift your legs to a 90-degree angle and lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Perform 15 to 20 reps, making sure to engage your abs throughout. Pro tip, keep your lower back pressed to the floor to avoid injury. We're going straight into bicycle crunches now. This is one of the most effective exercises to hit both your upper and lower abs. Lie flat on your back, place your hands behind your head, and bring your right elbow to meet your left knee as you twist your torso. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Go for 20 to 30 reps at a controlled pace. This move gets your abs, obliques, and even legs burning. Now let's focus on the side abs with Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lift your feet slightly off the ground, and lean back. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor on each side. To make it more challenging, hold a weight or water bottle. Aim for 30 twists. This move will define your obliques and tighten up your waistline. Moving on to mountain climbers, which not only engage your abs, but give you a solid cardio boost. Get into a plank position and start climbing by bringing one knee toward your chest, then quickly switching legs. Do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This move is a great fat burner while activating your core muscles. It's a high-energy move that will also help with fat loss around the belly. Here's a power-packed move, the flutter kicks. Lie on your back, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and start alternating small kicks. Keep your core tight and your legs straight. Do this for 30 seconds to really hit those lower abs. It may look easy, but your abs will feel the burn. Now, we can't forget about the classic crunches. This exercise focuses mainly on the upper abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your upper body towards your knees using your abs. Squeeze at the top and lower back down. Go for 15 to 20 reps. Simple, yet super effective in building that upper core definition. For a full core burn, let's do toe touches. Lie flat on your back, lift your legs straight up, and try to touch your toes with your hands. This targets both the upper and lower abs in one move. Try to do 20 reps and feel your core getting tighter with each one. If you're looking to build a more advanced routine, add in the V-ups. Start by lying on your back, arms extended overhead and legs straight. In one motion, lift your legs and arms together, forming a V shape, reaching for your toes. This will hit your entire core, but especially your lower abs. Do 10 to 15 reps. If it feels tough, that's a good sign. It means you're working the deep core muscles. For our final move, it's time to engage the core in a different way with side planks. Lie on your side with one forearm on the ground. Stack your feet and lift your hips, creating a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This will strengthen your obliques and give you that well-rounded core look. Now, while these exercises are essential for defining your abs, we can't overlook diet. If you really want to reveal those abs in just 2 weeks, make sure you're eating clean. Focus on whole foods like lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and alcohol. They're the biggest enemies of a shredded midsection. Drinking plenty of water will also help to keep your metabolism running high and flush out toxins. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen just as much as they're built through exercise. Combine this workout with a healthy eating plan and some cardio, and you'll be well on your way to a stronger, leaner core. Let's introduce the Spider-Man planks. This exercise is a great way to hit the side abs and make your core stronger from all angles. Get into a standard plank position, and as you hold, bring your right knee toward your right elbow. Return to plank, then repeat on the left side. Do this for 20 to 30 reps. The key here is control. Engage those obliques as you twist your body to the side. Spider-Man planks will shape your entire core while improving your balance and coordination. Next up, let's try heel taps. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, arms at your sides. Lift your head and shoulders slightly off the ground and tap your right heel with your right hand. Then switch to your left side. Go for 20 reps on each side. side. This move targets the obliques, helping to trim your waist and add definition to the side abs. It's simple but super effective when done correctly. Another great addition to our ab shredding routine is the scissor kicks. Lie on your back, place your hands under your hips, and lift your legs slightly off the floor. Now, alternate your legs in a scissor motion. One leg up while the other is down. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds. Keep your core tight and your lower back pressed to the ground. This exercise hones in on those lower abs, which are notoriously difficult to work, making it a key player in this 2-week ab transformation. Now let's amp it up with the starfish crunches. Lie on your back, arms and legs spread out like a starfish. Now lift your right arm and left leg toward each other, trying to touch your toes. Lower back down and repeat with the other side. Do 15 to 20 reps on each side. This move works both your upper and lower abs, and it's fantastic for improving flexibility and balance while getting that deep core burn. For those who want an even bigger challenge, let's incorporate the dragon flag. This is a tough one, but well worth it if you're aiming for serious core strength. Lie on your back with your hands holding onto something stable, like the legs of a couch or a heavy object. Lift your entire body, keeping it straight like a flag, using your core to control the movement. Lower yourself back down with control. Do as many reps as you can. It's tough, but even just a few reps will work wonders for your abs and overall core stability. We can't finish without mentioning the hollow body hold. This static move will truly test your core strength. Lie on your back, arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your arms, shoulders, and legs off the ground, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. The hollow body hold is an isometric exercise that engages your entire core, especially your lower abs, helping to build a rock-solid foundation. If you're serious about getting abs in 2 weeks, don't overlook the importance of cardio. Fat loss around the midsection is crucial for making those muscles visible. You can add 15 to 20 minutes of high-intensity interval training, high IT, to your daily routine to torch fat quickly. Exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, and high knees will boost your heart rate and help reveal those hard-earned abs faster. Lastly, to keep things balanced, we'll add the Superman hold. It's not directly an ab exercise, but it strengthens your lower back and supports core stability. Lie on your stomach with your arms extended overhead. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground and hold for 30 seconds. This will improve your overall posture and help prevent any imbalances caused by ab-specific exercises. Remember, consistency and intensity are key. Do this entire workout every day for the next 2 weeks and pair it with a diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Hydrated, cut down on sugars, and avoid processed foods. This combination of workouts and a clean diet will help you reach your goal of visible, well-defined abs faster than you think. By the end of these 2 weeks, not only will your core be stronger and more defined, but your entire body will feel more toned and fit. Don't forget, achieving results takes time and dedication, but with this program, you'll be seeing changes in no time. So stay focused, keep pushing, and let's get those abs. If this workout helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy home workouts, and leave a comment on how your journey is going. You've got this.